ever tried to uninstall Microsoft Edge but the button was completely grayed out? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall Edge for better performance. But with that said, let's get into the video. As you can see, I do not have Edge open, but if I go to Task Manager, right here, Edge is constantly running in the background, taking up RAM, and this one's taking up 75 megabytes, and altogether it's taking around 150 to 200 megabytes of RAM. And also WebView is also here, taking even more RAM, and this updater task is also running. And if you try and uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows, it does not let you. As you can see, it's grayed out. It's also taking up 2.6 gigabytes of space. So the first thing you want to do is just download a new browser. I recommend Google Chrome because it's pretty good performance and it's just the best. And once you install Chrome, set it as your default browser. That one, when you click links on apps, it's not going to open up in Edge, which is going to be removed, which will cause like a weird bug where nothing happens if you click links. So make sure you set your new default browser. And then once you're in Chrome, go to your settings, go to the search and type in acceleration. And then inside of here, uncheck these three boxes and uncheck on device AI if you don't use it, because this does take some more memory. Then click on relaunch right here. And then that's your Chrome debloated. So now there's only one more thing we have to do before we actually get on with uninstalling Edge. What I want you to do is just go on ChatGPT and then just type in all the apps you use and say, do these apps require Microsoft WebView to use? And then once you search that, if ChatGPT says no, then you can get on with this tutorial. But if it says yes, then don't do this, because WebView is linked with Microsoft Edge and it's going to brick some of the apps that you use. Then the next thing you want to do is join my Discord. Go to the remove Edge channel in the free Opti section and click on this download link right here. Then once you're on this, click on download and it's going to give you the zip folder right here. All you want to do with this is right click on it and click extract here. Then it's going to make this new folder, double click in there. And then inside of here, there's a batch file to uninstall Edge and a batch file to reinstall Edge. All you want to do is just right click on the uninstall Edge and click run as administrator, then click run. And then right here it says Microsoft Edge deleted successfully. All you want to do is click any key and then restart your PC. Alright, so now after restarting my PC, when I go to Task Manager, as you can see, there's no Microsoft Edge or WebView. And before, my memory was on 14%, now it's only on 11%. This definitely did help. If this video helped you out and you want your entire PC optimized for gaming, check out RisenTweaks.com for the best computer optimization service on the market. We have over 8,000 positive reviews and I highly recommend you check us out. But with that said, I hope you all have an amazing day.